Looking at the Featherboard by Milescraft. Bought this on Amazon for $15, I believe. The purpose of this, from what I understand, is to help keep your work pressed against the fence. That's why I bought it. I thought this was going to be like a rubber, but it's actually hard plastic. So that's even better because it's going to help keep that pressure on there. It's got arrows telling you which way the feed goes. Obviously, you're going to be pushing that way. You couldn't push that way. It comes with this 3/4 inch track to go in my track on my table saw. This is a Delta 36725 table saw. When you tighten this down, these spread and lock into your track. So if it comes with 2 washers, which are right under those wing nuts. These 2 wing nuts, 2 round bolts, 2 T-track bolts if you have a 1/2 inch T-track. It also comes with this extra track that's smaller. I believe it's for 1/2 inch. But it moves easily. So if I was ripping a 2x4, it says to use it only if you're ripping material. If I was going to rip it at, let's say, 1 3/4 inches here, lock the fence down. It says this feather's shorter than the rest. It says to move your workpiece to that, and that's how you determine where it's at. You know, where you need to set the depth of it at. Just snug those down real good. And as I push it, when I snug those down, this track down here expands, keeps it inside there. And this is going to keep, I can tell already, this is going to keep pressure this way to my fence so that when I'm ripping this board, obviously I'd be using a push stick in this situation, but when I'm I don't have to worry about pushing that way as well as this way. I can just focus on me pushing the piece through, and this is going to hold it close to the blade. So I think this seems really nice, and of course I'll be trying it out, and you can check out my stories on Instagram, and I'll tell you how I like it.